Let's pick our second order from Maryland. Maybe she placed the order after watching our packing video for the first one. Recently, my husband and I are thinking about filming videos on our daily life, like what goes on behind the scenes and how it feels like to be self-employed. Would you guys be interested? This sweetie picked 4 sets. The first is Naughty Little Ghost, one of our Halloween collection, very cute and demure. Furthermore, it shows nails very practical for daily life and work. The second one is a Haunted Castle. Yes, this sweetie picked 2 Halloween designs, so which one do you prefer? The third set is one of our popular early autumn designs, Cat in the Forest. Very cute and fairy tale vibe design. The last one is our popular Lucky Butterfly, another clean and demure design. Don't miss it if you like butterfly elements. My husband bought a new sewing stamp. It's a cat's paw, very cutesy. I like it very much. Each set comes with a complimentary nail application kit, and we also have some surprise small gifts for every customer. Hope our cute creations could bring a smile to your every day. Thanks for watching.